Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm gonna be showing you how to fix the problem you might be having with WordPress if your theme editor option is missing. This is a very simple thing to do, so I make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you've not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page right here, where in the upper right corner you want to get started with logging into your account. So go ahead and log into your account successfully, and after logging in, you'll be greeted by the home page, where in the left side screen you can find all the sections you can access, such as home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started with finding that option to return theme editor. So what we want to do guys is, as you can see right here in this thread right here, somebody already asked the same question that their theme editor is missing, and here we have some answers by people who are knowledgeable about this, telling us what to do. Basically, guys, it's because of the item security and its settings. So what you want to do is go ahead and go to dashboard, then you want to click security and WordPress tweaks. There you can get started configuring your settings and turning off. But basically guys, what you can do is, the simpler way is to just go to the WP config, and there you can go ahead and change the file to disallow file edit. You want to turn it to false. So basically this is the section you want to manage. You want to turn this into false instead of true, and this is going to return the theme editor option if it's missing for your WordPress website. Is sometimes this problem occurs with some themes. So you want to follow the steps you can find right here in this thread to go ahead and find what files you need to edit and how you want to edit them to go ahead and get your options returned. So you'll be able to do it successfully right here. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching. Take care and bye.